of computer system and the different parts of system that if they are not there, a system will not be able to work properly. So let's dive into the main video. So a computer system is made up of different parts that work together to to input, process, store, and output information. So here we have the hardware. The hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch, mostly like the keyboards. That's examples of it: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, which is central processing unit, and the printer. Then we have types of hardware. We have the input devices, output devices, storage devices, processing devices. So here, under the input devices, it is used to enter data, like the keyboard. We use data to enter data, and also the mouse. Then we have output devices. These display results like monitor, like printer. Then we have storage devices. These used to store data like hard drive, flash drive, even CD plates. Then we have processing devices. These are used to process data, which is the CPU. Then software. Software is a set of programs and instructions that tell the computer what to do. And these are part of system that you can only see but you cannot touch them. So types of software, we have system software. Example of system software, we have operating systems. Examples like Windows, MacOS. We have different types of operating system, like Linux too is also example of operating system. Then we have application software. Examples of application software, we have Microsoft Word, Excel, and other browsers. Then we have data. Data is raw facts and figures. Okay, so here we enter into the computer. Okay, the data are used to enter information into the computer, like the one you press, like letter A, B, C, D. All these are datas. But by the time the data are put in place, are organized, then the data turns to information. You can see here we have examples like numbers, which is 100, 200, etc. Then we have text like names, messages. Okay, name of town, villages are all data. Even images and videos are also data. But by the time they make anything meaningful, that means they become information. So after processing, data becomes information. Then we have for people, that's people where or the people, okay, which are the users of the computer. Yes, I know you may be surprised that people are also included, because without the people who operate the computer will not function, because it's people that give instruction to the computer. Okay, so if you are getting any value from this video, like and subscribe this video, and also turn on the notification bell. So these are the people who use and control the computer. Examples, we have students, teachers, programmers, office workers. Procedures. Procedures are the rules and steps for using a computer system correctly. For example, how to log into a system, steps to save a file, instructions for using software. Then 6, we have communication, which is the networking. So this refers to how computer connect and share information, like the internet. So examples here, we have internet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. All these are used to share information. Are used for interaction between different systems, different gadgets. So in summary of this class, a computer system works effectively when all components work together. Like what? When there is the hardware, there is the software, there is the data, there are the people who control it, there are procedures, which is the rules, and then communication, that's sharing of what file without what direct connections. So thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell. See you in our next video.